Hi friends, and welcome back to the Lamely Garden. I'm Gleesy. Today, y'all, it is time to cut this cabbage. Yes, I have been watching and babying this cabbage for so long, and it's about time that we go ahead and take care of it. So I'm here with my pruners trying to cut the cabbage. Y'all, the stalk was so thick. Oh my goodness, it was so thick, and my little pruners here broke, so I had to go get the big guns. Yes, I had to go get the clippers that my husband usually uses, and I still somewhat had a problem, but I was finally able to cut it down when I used my muscles. I guess that means it's a very healthy cabbage. But y'all, I was so excited. Like, I cannot believe it. Finally, we got it cut. And y'all, the moment of truth. Dun, 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 dun. Here it is. Here it is. I couldn't even pick it up with one hand. Look at that. Look at that. She is gorgeous. Gorgeous, y'all. And it was so heavy. It was so heavy. I was so excited.
In my backyard in Maryland, Zone 7. Y'all, the bugs are bugging right now. Like, the gnats and mosquitoes are ridiculous. Like, it is a mess. You're gonna see them, and I'm sorry, I can't stop swatting them. I'm sorry, because they're just, if I don't, like, 1,000 just come into my face. So I just wanted to hurry up and come on here and do this quick video because I want to show y'all my cabbage that I grew from seed. Y'all, look at this. Y'all see that? Let's take this stuff off. I'm scared because there might be like a slug or something in here. But you know. Got some roly-polies. Ugh. Ew, what got on me, y'all. Y'all, I'm struggling. I need somebody to send help, y'all. Goodness gracious. How about I just leave you on the ground? Look at that. Don't look at that. I told y'all it was gonna be a slug on there. I told y'all. Ah, where'd he go? There he go. Y'all, I'm so stressed right now. So what I'm going to do is I am going to wash this off, and I'm going to have to cut it right away because I'm just scared. I'm scared. Like, what if I wake up and it's like a whole slug family in my refrigerator or something? So I'm going to wash it off and chop it up. But y'all, look at that. I grew this from seed, y'all. I grew it from seed. Your girl is proud of herself. That's all I can say. That's all I can say. All right, y'all, it's not too late. I've been saying it. It's not too late to put some food or some seeds in the ground. Well, depending on what you want to grow, it's a little too late to put some seeds in the ground, but a lot of things you can still grow from seed. Like, I just dropped cucumbers and green bean seeds, and I'm starting to get prepared for my fall garden. Like, it's time to keep moving, keep getting self-sufficiency. Like, don't quit, don't stop, no matter what. Like, these bugs are driving me crazy, but here I am harvesting my cabbage that I grew from seed. I cannot wait to weigh this. All I can say is I'm proud. All right, guys, I hope I am inspiring you. Now my kid's calling me. Thank you so much for joining me.